In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off trending searches in Chrome. If you've ever clicked into the Google search bar and noticed popular or trending searches showing up automatically, this quick setting change can help make your search experience feel a little cleaner and more private. The good news is that turning this off only takes a moment, and I'll walk you through it clearly from start to finish. To begin, open Chrome and navigate to the Google homepage. Make sure you're on the main Google page, since that's where you'll access the search preferences connected to trending suggestions. Once you're there, look toward the bottom right corner of the web page and click Settings. This will open a small pop-up menu with a few options related to how Google search behaves. From that pop-up menu, choose Search Settings. This takes you to the area where Google lets you manage how search suggestions, results, and related preferences appear while you browse. After the Search Settings page opens, look over to the menu on the left-hand side and click Other Settings. This section contains additional search controls that aren't always visible on the main settings page, so if you don't see the option right away, don't worry, just make sure you're in the correct submenu. Now find the option labeled Autocomplete with Trending Searches. This is the setting responsible for showing those popular search suggestions when you click into the search field before typing anything. It's useful for some people, but if you prefer a less distracting experience, this is the setting you'll want to adjust. Once you've located it, toggle the switch to turn off. After changing the setting, trending searches will no longer appear as automatic suggestions on Google while using Chrome in that browsing session or account context, depending on how your browser is configured. If you don't notice the change immediately, try refreshing the page or opening a new tab and going back to Google. In some cases, settings updates can take a moment to appear. Also, if you use multiple Google accounts or browser profiles, keep in mind that you may need to repeat the same process in each one. And that's it. You've successfully turned off trending searches in Chrome. It's a simple adjustment, but it can make your search page feel more focused and less cluttered. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.